we have just hit a magical milestone of 500,000 views on YouTube. Yes, you heard right. 500,000 views. Not be moi. As again, Jogi Kene ono. Chukwu ya gozie ono. Unu si emu onu anyị ọ na-ekpo ọkụ. Maka na asị wene, izizi mensi ewu, aka nkwụ ma onye epie. Without you, there will be no us. So I'm specifically sending this message to you and thanking you for sharing and subscribing to our channels. I want to also thank you for engaging with our posts, calling us to order where you feel we have misrepresented facts of history. Thank you so much and do have a very pleasant day. I want to tell you to please help me to invite more people to this channel. Help me to invite more of your family members and relatives because this is a university of history. What they don't teach you in classrooms, we will teach it here with facts and proofs. Thank you and God bless you for subscribing to Enwane Cultural Forum. Have a very blessed time. We have many videos on our channel. You can just cruise to our channel. The videos you have not seen before, see them all over again. The ones you have seen that you feel is enjoyable, share it to your own audience as well. Thank you. 500,000 views. I don't take this for granted. Thank you.